VTSV Auto, man, y'all see the branding, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We don't play no games. VTSV Auto, this is where we at. You see I'm a little dusty, but I get excited about certain things. When we got good work, good dope, man, listen, it turns me on. So let me get right to it, as they say. We got Alabama car on the rotisserie. For those of y'all that's been following the channel, salute. Appreciate all the comments and everything. You know, guys call me all the time interested in doing builds, and they compliment the work that my guys here. I always tell my guys too, so don't never think that the compliments stop with me. You know, TZ, Raed, Devon, Dylan, everybody here, you know, all the kudos, the compliments on the quality of the channel, everything. So salute, and everybody else saying they salute to you as well. But if you've been following this channel, you understand that we did a ton of work to this car, quarters. We definitely did quarters twice on it, you know what I'm saying? A lot of patch pans, metal work, and all of that. So it was important for me to just show you some of the differences of doing a full floor pan and the painstaking parts of doing patch pans. Well, I want to show you here on this patch pan. You can see everything is kind of uniform, it's smooth, it's welded smooth. You really don't see the transition between the two pieces. That took additional work besides what you had to do to the top. When you seen us cut out the area, prep, clean the area, weld this piece in, that was everything done up top. It was continuous weld too. However, if you come back to this piece here, this is what it will look like once you're done. If you stop right there, because you're welding, you're not butt welding the pieces right here together. You're welding them right on top. There's going to be just a little bit of overlap. Now this has got to be cut off. Any little welds like here you see, it has to still be finished up. Now it's not as time consuming as the top, but you definitely still got a few more hours to go per pan once you get to the bottom side to get it uniform like this. So these two already been grind down, welded, ready to go to the next phase of what we're going to do to it. These two shows you the two different phases of what happened before this. First, it had to be trimmed and welded up. Then after that, it got to be grinded down smooth. So all of these welds have been welded and cut, trimmed back, but you just got to grind everything down smooth to give it that uniform look. So this still has to be cut, welded, grind down all the way around. You don't want to have the lip, but some people, you know, they'll leave the little extra excess lip and just, you know, tack weld it in, put a little bondo. We want to do a continuous weld, keep everything asymmetrical. Also, these pieces here are done, haven't even been done. These are the back belly, the back seat portion where your butt sits at on the cushion. They don't make these as a patch pan. These here had to be custom made to fit because they don't make for a 71 through 75 dome. They have a 65 through 70, it's similar, but it's not this pan. So we had to fabricate it. We have the capabilities of making it from scratch. We made it from scratch on these pieces. But now we still got to trim and continuous weld the bottom or fill in any weld spots that's not all the way how we like them here at VTSV Auto. Finally, if you watched the video, you saw Devon, even Dylan came and stripped a lot of this stuff. It looked like aluminum foil from here, all shiny, clean metal. And then we prime protected it with a little etching primer all the way around to the back, because you know from this weld line here at the bottom of the truck floor, we already stripped everything up on the back body panel and all of that there. That's already been same process, but every inch of this car will be stripped. All of this will be clean, polished up. Another thing, when we do quarters, just this area right here, we could do on the rotisserie. So these are the only part that haven't been welded. We got to clean this area up here, but we wait to do this once we get it on the rotisserie because we have better access. That's the whole purpose of having a machine like this, not to just say we put your car in a rotisserie. The reason why they invented a machine like this is to give you better access where you don't have to contort your body, lay on the ground to get to something that you have to weld. Now you can pull up a chair, have your nice cold water, and just get mentally focused and take your time to do what you need to do. So it's gonna be a dope product. We're gonna paint everything up under here as well. So look out, man. This is a normal day for us, man. This ain't no, we had to be pushed to poke to do this. This is what we do on every single car. Whether he want to paint under here or not, we're not going to leave all of this dirty, gushy undercoating up under there. We're going to clean all of that out. We can do it simple and just re-undercoat everything fresh, crisp looking. We also can clear the undercoating that'll protect that undercoating from additional wear and tear where now still have a clean look. You can wash it off and it look good. Those are just additional steps to go how far you want. But if you just want to go factory, strip it, clean it, undercoat it fresh, we can stop there. So any way you want to dice it, we can slice it. Come see us at VTSV Auto, man. Don't forget, we don't play no games, man. Tell your people about it. Let's go.